Fully cooked.
Hi guys, it is the middle of the night, the evening. We just got home and I went to the Dollar Tree today and I want to show you what I got. Hi guys, so my camera is a little tilted. I don't know if you can tell or not. Adds a little dimension, doesn't it? So I wanted to show you some things that I got for Christmas stocking stuffers and the stocking itself at the Dollar Tree. A little decor, a little picture, got some cleaning stuff and some organizing stuff and some stuff for the dog. So the first thing that we saw, this for Abigail and this for Raphael, and these are their stockings this year for Christmas. Now right now they have Halloween stuff out because it's the day after Halloween, or 2 days after Halloween, so they have everything 50 cents instead of $1, so it's half off, and they didn't have very much stuff left at all. Okay, Rudy, she likes to chew stuff, and she chewed this up, so I had to get another one. And this is what they clean the trampoline off with, because it gets a lot of leaves and things on it right now because it's right under a tree. Can't really help it. Every single day it collects leaves. Somebody told me to put netting across the top. We're just not there yet. Here is another, and it's like it has metal on it actually. This is a Dollar Tree. A sign, wood with metal. Let it snow. And this was the last one that they had there. Thought it was super cute to hang pretty near to our Christmas tree. I think they're gonna like that. This is a stocking stuffer for Abigail. So she will love that. I got one a while ago that had the American flag on it and she loved it. Just loved it. So this one's got all kinds of stuff on it. It's very pretty, looks like a peacock. She just likes to look at it, open it and look at it, open it and look at it. So I thought that would be good for her stocking. Another stocking stuffer. This one is for her. It has paints, a brush, and a little canvas. And it's a Crayola. And a stocking stuffer for Raphael. And it's a cat, of course. I just thought this was adorable. Salt and pepper shakers that are squirrels. Now this was in the Thanksgiving aisle. They have Thanksgiving, Halloween, and Christmas all at the same time right here. And they got party stuff too. So they got all kinds of stuff for holidays. And speaking of that, this is a Mylar balloon that comes with a straw. And this is going to be Raphael coming up in just like a week and a half. So we got wax melts, 6 for $1. And this one smelled so good. Apple melon. It's probably all chemical, but it smells so good. This one too. I got 2 of them because it smelled that good. Now this is for me to get organized. I have tried the thing where you get on the cell phone and you make notes for yourself and even reminders and alarms and stuff. It just doesn't work for me unless it's in my face all the time. And I have a reminder of it all the time. I have an extremely bad memory and I need to get more organized than what I am. So I got sticky notes. Post-its. So this was $1 for 200, just generic plain green. But then I also got this one, has a heart, and it's hot pink, in case I need to remember something that's hot pink. And I got a purple one. And the colored ones have only 125 sheets, while the generic, like standard, not generic, but like standard green, greenish yellow, 200. So it comes with 5 message pads with 40 sheets each, and this is just 1 message pad with 125. So, and it has a writing thing. So like I can save different types of notes with this one and with this one, so I can remember if I color code them. Okay, and we got the dog some munchie bones. This is 5 bones for $1. Can get the same thing at Walmart for $6. And we have dog biscuits, and they looked like just your generic, like nothing special, but they love them. Chicken, peanut, lamb, vegetable, and cheese flavors. And it's got a blue tick pointer bird dog on it. So that's cute. I told Raphael to pick out one for Rudy, and that's the one that he picked out for Rudy. Okay, and the next one is for Raphael to organize his art desk with. He has a lot of papers, and they're just kind of like stacked up on top of each other, so I wanted to get a 2-piece stacking thing just to put different types of paper on. If I had more room there, and there's really not more room, maybe for, I doubt it. I was going to say maybe for one more basket. The 2 baskets will separate it good enough for him to have not such a cluttery space. So he can put papers in here and papers in here, maybe colored papers, or maybe just the regular like printer paper that he likes to draw with, just on his art center to keep it a little more neat than what he has been keeping it. Hi guys, sorry, I'm coming to you mid-roll because I forgot some items, and I just realized while I was watching TV, hey, I have some items. So let me go ahead and insert this in here. I got a thing of laundry detergent, $1. A huge, oh, it hurts my elbow. A huge thing of detergent for dishes, dish soap. I got some hand soap. We're out of hand soap. I probably could have got this bigger size, maybe for cheaper somewhere else, but it does smell good. We needed hand soap right now. I got this little bottle for Abigail's hair, to wet her hair for when I put it in rubber bands and stuff. And I got 2 reusable cups with lids, and it says Adventure Fuel. And these are not for me or Hadar. It is for Abigail and Raphael. It's like a sippy cup, so they can have hot chocolate or warm chocolate milk, you know, for the holidays. So let me finish this video now. That's your cup for hot chocolate.
You open it?
Huh?
I'm weak.
You're weak. I'll open it later. Do you like your cup for hot chocolate?
Can you do it? Thank you. Thank you. Can you get hot chocolate in here?
You want hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay.
So good. Hot chocolate is my favorite. Do you want hot chocolate, Raphael? Not hot. Not hot. I don't want hot.
You want cold chocolate?
No, not cold either. I just want chocolate milk.
Okay.
I want hot chocolate milk.
Okay.
I want a hot chocolate milk, Raphael. Really? Get it out. It has
Hey, you know how to
bubble.
drink? You actually take the lid off, put it all in there, and there's a little thing right here when you put it on. That's how you drink, just like a coffee cup.
That's your own little coffee cup for your
gave
hot
Abigail
chocolate.
the hard one to open. You can have this one. You gave her the hard one to open.
That is my haul from the Dollar Tree. And I really have a good time going in there and just looking at all the new stuff, especially when it's like Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, and everything is in one place all at the same time, so I can just, you know, look through and buy anything that I need. Okay, so have a great day. Take care. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe.
Before you go, please answer this question.
Has Ready Whip always been spelled W-I-P instead of W-H-I-P? I have never noticed this until now.
Would you like to see my mom and grandma's recipe? Pumpkin pie recipe? She came over the other day and made it with us, so we're gonna edit the video now. See you again soon. Remember to like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on FoolyLiving. Leave us a comment to let us know you are here. Have a great day.